Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited. It does have a rebuilt title. There was front end damage to it. There was no structural damage reported, as you can see on Carfax. You can see we've gotten everything buckled up, straightened out where it needs to be, and is running well. This does have the 3.5 liter V6, 24 valve, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let me go ahead and close this up and I'll take you for a tour. Okay. It is black, even though we have a very blue sky today. Makes it maybe look a little bit navy or something, but it is black. It does have the mirrors with the turn indicators built into them. I did notice this little scratch here on the bottom. I want to make sure that you know about all that kind of fun stuff. This one, this is actually, I'm just making sure that the sunlight wasn't hitting it wrong, but to recline these seats, you actually tug this and recline the seats. Those fold down. See, this has the depression in the back where you have quite the stowage compartment. It is a third row. You can see the two sunroofs up there. Back here, very convenient. You also have the power supply and lighting. Okay, you really hear the air conditioner blowing back here. We have that going. It's a very hot day. It is a push button door release. And go ahead and take a look in here. All leather seats. There's your sunroof up there. This can close. There's your fold down entertainment. And here you can adjust the temperatures. There's the lighting, other vents and lights, cup holders, and like I said, that third row. There's your video inputs and your power supply. Passenger side, it does have JBL sound system and wood paneling. Here's your cup holders, and this releases for a large stove. There's also your SD card for your GPS, your compact disc. We'll walk around and hop in. Here on the driver's side door, you have your seat presets for driver 1 and driver 2. Down here you have your mirror controls, your door locks, your window controls. There's your seat adjustment right there. Look over here, here's your traction control, your rear vent, open and closure, parking assist, your blind spot monitoring, your heated steering wheel, and your lights. Here's your power door on or off, your fuse panel, your gas cap opener, your hood release, and your park brake. Go ahead and hop in. This will control either your instrument panel or your stereo, your phone, your push to talk, call, hang up. This will change your trip computer, all that kind of fun stuff. All-wheel drive monitoring, fuel economy, distance to empty is a very nice feature. Here's your compass. Say you want to control your stereo and you have no messages or warnings. Okay, so come over here. Here's your audio, your apps, but we don't have a phone hooked up to it. So we just have it on the GPS until you put it in reverse, and it would go to your backup camera. So I will just go ahead and turn it off with the push button ignition. I will turn it off and then on again so that you can see the sequence. My seat is adjusting because I'm on preset 1. And so that's what that one looks like over here on this screen. I'm going to shut it off and turn it back on again so you can see that one. You'll continue, and it takes you into your stereo. So you also have, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. You also have your climate control buttons here. Here's your front and rear defrost. This tells the comfort control where to send the air. Here's on auto. You can set it on auto so that you can set your temperature to automatically keep you at 62 degrees. I don't want to do that because it would blow us out. It's not 62 degrees in here. You can either go on one side or the other or synchronize them. You can control the rear with those controls as well. And you come down here. Oh, it looks like our volume is on. Let's go ahead and turn that down. Okay, so you come down here. You can control your drivers and passengers, heated seats, and your USB and aux. Right here, you have another power supply. And as I mentioned, there's your CD and SD drives. You got your cup holders right here and your stowage. Okay, so once again, light gray, full leather. We have the sunroof back here. We also have this one up here. These are the controls for that. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. You can see it's a beautiful day outside. So you can toggle that on or off, and then here's your back power door and also your sides as well. So your overhead lighting. So, oh, and I did not mention your Sos Signal Center. So this is your lights if you want it to come on when the doors are open, you want them on all the time, or if you just want them turned off. This also has a compass in the mirror. And that's about it. So, yeah, hop out, let you hear it. Your stickers for your alarm, your anti-theft warning system, and listen here. Okay, that is your 2015 Toyota Sienna. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.